So you examine the evidence, and this turns out to be Oakland, the city, Oakland. So then you go to the next clue, which is a bunch of numbers, and I don't have a cursor to show you, but 63 minus 39 is 24. 65 minus 44 is 21. 69 minus 49 is 20. 83 minus 59 is 24. So these need to have a difference of 21. 63 to 65, you add 2, and then you add 4 to get to 69, and then you add 6, which will get you 75, and then 8, which gets you 83. So 75 is the red question mark. 39 plus 5 to get to 44. 44 plus 5 to get to 49. 49 plus 5 to get to 54, and then 54 plus 5 to get to 59. So the number is 7554. So you've got Oakland, 7554. And then you go right here, and it says 7554 is Seattle, Oakland is 1948. So I've done a bunch of stuff adding those numbers, trying to figure it out, but then I realized that the numbers to the right don't correspond to the city. So you literally just take the clues in order. Oakland first, so you look at Oakland, and then 7554. I was confused. Duh. It is Oakland 7554. So if Oakland equals 7554, that means Seattle equals 1948. There we go. I thought that I put that in different and that made no sense. So the final answer is 1948, and then you type in Seattle, and you're good to go. We'll get the disc for you. Sorry about the confusion. I've been working on this forever, trying to add numbers together and everything. So yeah, it's just you got Oakland 7554. Therefore, Seattle is 1948, and that'll get you into the floppy disk.